Alright, so we're technically looking for Alfredo's fucking injectors, because he's a fucking idiot.
Can't find it.
There's a fucking lights laying around, you know. Very organized man right here.
Oh, fuck.
You're a fucking idiot.
They're only $5, it's okay.
Seen a lot of shit.
Yeah.
Seen a lot of shit.
I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was nada though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and he flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace and help people. Give some of this money that I'm making to the people. So if you hating on me, goddamn you evil. And just don't understand, cause I'm flyer than Knievel. Been through a lot of shit, but I keep it on the deep low. Never